Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Nyla back with another beautiful Skyway Classic vehicle. Today I'm showing you a 1975 Trans Am. Super duper pretty. It's got blue paint. It almost looks a little green in the sunlight, but that's when the sun's actually hitting it, like a teal green. But phenomenally beautiful car, inside and out. I'm just doing a quick little walk around today myself, so I don't know a whole lot about this car as far as details, but we will have it listed in the description below, so please pay attention to that, as it will have all of the info. But what I do know, these awesome honeycomb wheels, they're like my favorite on the Trans Am, and these are the silver ones. Really cool, sets it off. The interior on this car is immaculate, all black, leather, automatic transmission. It does have a working radio, and it's the original radio, it looks to be. It is working. There is an AC hookup, but it does not have AC, so that is optional if you wanted to do something like that. But just overall, super clean ride. So here in a second, I'm gonna show you under the hood, get the car started, let you see the engine bay, all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna take it for a spin. And then lastly, we follow it up with a video of the undercarriage. And as I've said in some of my other videos, all of the still shots of all of these cars are on our website, skywayclassics.com. So I do exterior, interior, engine bay, trunk, and also the undercarriage photos. And those will all be on our website, so check it out. Folks, here I am inside the Trans Am. We got the seatbelt light there, so those are working. That's kind of cool. A lot of times those little things don't work in these older cars. Both of the blinkers are working. Windshield wipers do work. I don't like to turn them on all the time. Lights are working. And then we've got the radio, the factory radio. And I was able to get a station here a second ago. But it does work. So very cool. Let's take her for a ride, see how she does. Automatic transmission. We got a big dip right there coming out of the lot, so anytime it's like a nice little road test for the cars when they come out of there. And there was no creaks or squeaks, so that's all good. Horn is working. But yeah, the headliner, everything inside is absolutely immaculate. It's a really clean car. It's feeling good driving down the road. Very responsive. Smooth riding. Transmission sounds good. I like to do a quick little brake check. No hands on the wheel. Nice and straight, nice and strong. And then I'll come up here, we'll go around the corner, we'll let it go through the gears one more time so you can kind of hear the transmission one more time. Passing gear comes. Yep. Oh yeah. Pretty good. We're cruising. All the gauges seem to be working. That speedometer is a little bouncy, so we'll make sure to look at that. And I think maybe the fuel gauge is not working, but these are all little things that we've been inspected, and we will make sure to double check and correct before the car is driven off the lot. So please come see us, Skyway Classics. We'll see you soon.